Ciao guys, welcome to this new episode. Today I'm going to go through the first construction stages of the HM Sherbourne of 1763. As I told you in the previous video of this series, I believe this is the perfect model for beginners model makers, and you're going to understand why in a moment. The techniques used in this model kit are totally different from what we are used to from more commercial model kits. You can notice this already by the number of bulkheads in this kit. 17 in total, plus all the other structure reinforcement and the materials type 2. For this build, I will be following the manual as it is in order to check if there are any inconsistencies or pain points to report that can help beginners in the construction of this model. In this episode, as you might have already understood, I'm going to build the whole structure and to install the pearwood transom. This first phase is crucial as the next time I'm going to cover the whole planking. The assembly part is pretty straightforward and the main attention points here are sanding and attention while gluing some pieces. First of all, no squareness tools seems to be needed while installing the bulkheads, as the reinforcement and the false deck also manage to self-square the whole structure. The fit seems perfect. No glue needed at this point as reported in the manual. Also, the filling between bulkheads are useless in this case, as the number of bulkheads is more than sufficient to glue the planks later on. I'll leave you to the rest of the construction then, so grab your favorite drink and enjoy the video.